Hello, good to see you again, and welcome back to the English Grammar course for beginners with me, Caroline. In our last class, we looked at possessive adjectives, and today we are going to talk about possessive pronouns. These are words that tell us who the owner of something is. Let's see all the possessive pronouns that we have in English. I will start with mine. We use the possessive pronoun mine to show that something is for me. Me, the person speaking. For example, this computer is for me. I could say, this computer is mine. This t-shirt is for me. This t-shirt is mine. Our next possessive pronoun is yours. We use yours to show that something is for you. Let's see some example sentences. This phone is for you. We could say, this phone is yours. Example number 2, this bag is for you. This bag is yours. Just remember, instead of saying for you, you can just say, it's yours. Let's see another possessive pronoun. That is his. We use his to show that something belongs to a man or a boy. For example, that phone is for him. With the possessive pronoun, we could say, that phone is his. Example number 2, this book is for him. This book is his. So just remember, instead of saying for him, you can just say it is his. Let's see the next possessive pronoun, hers. We use hers to show that something belongs to a woman or a girl. For example, that book is for her. We could say, that book is hers. Example number 2, this computer is for her. This computer is hers. Our next possessive pronoun is ours. We use ours to show that something is for more than one person, including me, who is speaking. So it means it is for me and other people. Let's see some example sentences. This house is for me and my family. I could say, this house is ours. Example number 2, that car is for me and my friends. That car is ours. Let's see our very last possessive pronoun, theirs. We use theirs to say or to show that something belongs to more than one person, not including me. For example, that house is for Mike and his family. That house is theirs. Example number 2, this chair is for James and his friend. This chair is theirs. Just remember, instead of saying for them, you could just say theirs. Now, we have covered all the possessive pronouns. Let's look at the common mistakes students make with possessive pronouns. Let's go. All right, mistake number 1. Adding a noun after a possessive pronoun. For example, this is mine bag. We don't use nouns after possessive pronouns. So you should say, this is mine, or this bag is mine. Mistake number 2 is confusing singular and plural forms. For example, these are mine. You should say, this is mine. So I've got some tips for you. Use mine, his, hers, theirs, ours at the end of a sentence. You don't need a noun after any of these words. Now, let's do some practice. I will read some sentences for you and give you time to guess the answer. Ready to start? Let's go. 1. This bag belongs to me. That's right, mine. So mine shows that it belongs to me. Number 2, the phone belongs to her. That's a good guess. Hers. The phone is hers because hers is a pronoun that shows the phone is for her. Example number 3, the car belongs to them. That's right, the car is theirs. And our last example, these keys belongs to you. These keys are yours. And well done. Don't worry if you didn't get everything right. Just keep practicing and you're going to master it soon. Now that you've done the practice, you've learned about the possessive pronouns. Well done. Keep practicing and remember to download the PDF document. I look forward to seeing you in the next video and thank you so much. Goodbye.